Hey y'all, it's your girl Kinah with KinahIAm. Welcome back to the channel. If you're an OG, if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be unboxing the HoneyBShop Babe Box subscription for May 2022. So if you're interested, keep on watching this. Y'all, if you follow me on IG, then you know I was super excited when I saw the sneaks for this. Oh my god. So we have our two journaling cards, we have our babe, and this box is rose gold foiled. So that's journaling card 1, and this is my favorite. I read past my bedtime. That is beautiful, y'all. I love it. Journaling cards. Next we have a clear stamp, and it says from the library of excuse me, 2 stamps. And then there's a blank section here for, I guess, for you to write your name in. And then there is a second stamp that says read, love, return. So you got 2 clear stamps here. Let's get this light adjusted. They be wanting to act up, and I don't know why. So those are our clear stamps. And it says book stamps up here. I wonder. And I wonder. Alright, next we have this month's sticker die cuts. Y'all, I'm loving these florals. Go ahead and get them open. So we've got books and florals. Ooh, don't drop that. You've got our brown skin babe. Some more florals. I'm here for these florals. And then we have I read past my bedtime in the font, just one more chapter. We have a butterfly with florals, says I'm booked. That's cute. We have our babe, brown skin babe. We have our babe. Look at that, love in all shades. Okay, a stack of books. Got a pocket with florals. See, multiple shades, y'all, multiple shades. One more chapter. Look at them dark roots, y'all. So these are the sticker die cuts in this month's babe box. Next we have some washi cards. This rose gold foil is super pretty, y'all. So this one says just one more chapter, the rose gold. This one is a library card. That's pretty cute, and it says issue 2. There we go. And this one is just a rose gold rose foiled washi card. So these are the 3, what's that? Oh, okay, 3 washi cards in this month's box. Next we have this insert called book reviews. Let's get this cut open so we can take a look at it. And it is B6 sized, like the other items that come in the babe box. They're typically sized for B6. All the subs size stuff for B6. I don't know why. But we have book reviews. It's on this pretty mauve dusty pink cover. This is book reviews. This book belongs to be read, book, how much it costs, I guess, and a check sign. Okay, and then we go into our reviews. And we've got a section here for a picture or a photo. It says title, author, series, date started, date finished, 5-star review, book review, quotes and notes. And then there are, that finishes out the book. So that's all. That's a lot. So this is our book reviews B6 insert. Let's open up this washi, y'all. And we did it without slicing our fingers off today, so any day we can keep our digits, we are winning. Ooh. Okay, so we've got this bookshelf view. We've got florals. We've got some kind of plant up there. I can't see it really closely. And we have our books stacked with stars, floral washi. We got our glass, Harry Potter glasses too, y'all. Look at the Harry Potter glasses. So this is the washi, y'all. This is so pretty. This is the washi in this month's box. And then we have a heart bookmark. I saw one of these in a Simply Gilded sub. But how you use it is you would clip it onto whatever page you're reading in your book. See? Cute, right? And you would just use that to open to your page. So that's the heart bookmark. It's really soft, y'all. So I'm assuming this is vegan leather. Y'all, let's get into this sticker book. So the title of this month's kit is Book Gazer 2.0. I haven't been subscribed long enough to be able to tell you how it compares to the Book Gazer 1.0, but this is super cute. Come on out of there. Thank you. Just the cover by itself is giving, okay? This is really pretty. So you've got 10 pages here, and as you guys know, we have the rose gold foil. Oh my god. Y'all look at that. Look at it. Okay, let's get a close-up. We've got the book. Oh my goodness, y'all. First page right out the box. Love it. Oh my goodness. And we got a second page. Shannon, why did you do this to us? I read past my bedtime. Look at that. And then we got some functionals. We've got some washi full boxes with habit trackers, some checklists, some appointment labels. And then we have our half boxes page. We've got our monthly, our weekday. Goodness, I was really about to call it monthly. We have our weekdays. We've got some headers. We've got some more headers and some habit trackers. Oh, we got icons. Y'all, I love this. I don't know what it is about white and black icons. They just do it for me, okay? And then we've got some more functionals, some water trackers. These are meal boxes. And then we've got some money boxes. We've got some icons, trash day, meal prep, and some date dots. They are circles, so date dots. We have our cart of the month. And then we have this little section for smaller planners, mini, personal, around that size. And then we've got some deco. It says one more chapter, and then we have I'm booked, and then we have our babes and the florals from the die cuts. So that is the 10-page sticker book. And y'all, the paper, honey, I don't think we got paper in the space drip box. Well, unless mine was just missing. I'm gonna email them and see, because I don't remember getting paper for quite a few boxes. But let's get into this paper, y'all. So first sheet. Oh yeah, we get multiples. I forgot to tell y'all that we got multiples. So we got 2 sheets of this pattern with these roses on the back. Look how freaking pretty that is, y'all. Oh, I'm already plotting. Because I'm already plotting. Just know. Just prepare. Prepare to be sick of me. Okay. And then we have the butterflies with the florals. And we've got these rose gold dots. Let's see if it's going to pick up. There we go. And then on the back, okay, we have... Oh, you can feel the dots through the paper. We have this, this print here. This brown print here. And then, y'all, we got a sheet of vellum with the rose gold dots. And then we got a sheet of acetate with the rose gold roses. Y'all look. It's so pretty. I don't even think, are those roses? I don't think so. I could be wrong. What do I know? Y'all, so pretty. Look how they layer. Look how it layers. That is pretty, y'all. Ooh. Let me tell y'all the best thing about having switched from A5 to half letter. When I was with A5, I could only get one piece of something out of this sheet. And now I'm with half letter, I can get 2 somethings out of this sheet. So all I have to do is split it down the middle. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Don't judge me, y'all. So we have our papers. We have 6 papers in this month's box. Boom, boom, and boom, right? And then we have our sticker book. And then we have our book reviews insert. Then we have our heart bookmark, our washi cards, our die cuts, our washi. We've got our book stamps and our 2 journaling cards. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.